Hi everyone, my name is Olga, Lukavka stylist. I am a fashion blogger and stylist, and this is my very first video in English. I decided to start it. I actually wanted to do it quite a long time ago, as I live in Sweden and a lot of my friends and followers ask me, please, why don't you start to speak English on your videos? But it was quite difficult for me. But now I want to try, and I'm starting my English channel. I already have a Russian channel and I will put a link in under the video. So today I want to talk with you about my new purchase. Actually, it was a birthday gift. I had a birthday like several weeks ago, and I ordered a bag from Yves Saint Laurent. It is a Sunset Medium bag in the leather of calfskin, and I will show you now how it looks. We will unpack it together. So that's the box, how it looks. I already started to unbox it. It's my first Yves Saint Laurent bag, and I will see how it looks in real life, because we don't have a shop of Yves Saint Laurent in our city, Stockholm, so it was quite complicated to choose what I want. I have seen quite a lot of videos and reviews from other bloggers. I was deciding about the skin what I want to have, and that will last long. So we will see what actually how does it look. I purchased it from the site of Yves Saint Laurent, the official site, and it took me them like a week while I got the bag. So that's something inside of it. I think it's a receipt. And so we will see. Yeah, it's a receipt of Yves Saint Laurent return service. If I will decide to return it, I can do it, I think, within 30 days. That's good. That's how it looks inside. This is how it looks in the bag, material bag. And it's actually quite surprising for me, because when I looked for some other views, I've seen it was always some papers around this chain, and now I don't see it. But as I ordered it in the official site, I'm sure that it's okay. Just don't know why they box it differently. So this bag, probably I will wrap it and have inside of the bag when I keep it. So let's look. The skin is soft, but it's quite hard at the same time. I don't know how to tell it, but I think that it should be good in wear. Inside there is nothing also. No papers or something. This is really strange. Write me, did you have the same experience if you have some of the Yves Saint Laurent bag? This is medium size, as I told you before, and I wanted exactly this size. It's not too small. I think it's kind of starts to be, no, I can't say that it's unfashionable, but it's maybe less popular than before to have the small bags. Now we are coming back to the medium size, as it was fashionable before. This is something, let's see, what is it? I think it's a passport of the bag. It looks like that. Where is the focus? Hello. It looks like somebody started to open it, if you can see it. Yeah, I don't know. But okay, whatever. Can it be that somebody returned this bag and then they sent it for me? How do you think? Could it be possible? I think so. I don't know. So it's, oi, something fell down. It's some small stuff here, control, some number, okay, and some passport. Yves Saint Laurent Medium Sunset. It said that it's made in Italy, thanks God. So let's come back to the bag. So what can I say? It's not too much heavy. I don't think so, because in reviews several bloggers said that Yves Saint Laurent bags are quite really heavy, and they have problems to dress it on themselves, and they return it. For me, it's not an issue. I don't feel it, but as I've seen some reviews, I think that mostly the crocodile cover of the bag makes it really heavy. And the chain is okay, like normal. I will dress it like that mostly, and I don't think that it looks too big or something. It doesn't look too big, no. I don't think so. And also you can have it another way of styling, like two chains together, like to have it like that. I think it's quite cute. This is exactly what I wanted. And I can show you what I can fit inside of it. There is some pocket. This is some hidden pocket here. I don't know if you can see something. Yeah. And this is quite a big space. And here, and from this side, there is also a pocket. Yeah. Somewhere on another receipt. And this small thing is for keys, as far as I know. Yeah, this is a keys, the circus, how you call it. Looks quite cute. I think this black cal leather, this is smooth leather, it will go mostly with everything. I think with the whole of my wardrobe. I had a bad experience with Gucci bag before. It was in velvet. I had quality issues with it, so I had to return it back. And this is my second try. And I decided to go for Yves Saint Laurent. I think hopefully the quality will be better and it will not be destroyed or something. But now it's actually, you can see that it's quite soft. You can even squeeze it a little bit, but I will be careful with it for now. So this is my phone. I will try to put it here. I can do it in this pocket. Yeah, it fits good. It fits good. Or I can just put it to one of the big places, and you see there are a lot of space. I'm pretty sure that the camera will go here, my Canon. Now I'm making video on this camera, Canon G7X, and it's a small vlogging camera, and I'm sure it will fit there. Also, I'm sure that some sunglasses fit there and something. I can actually make another video of review of what when I have it for several weeks or when I use it a little bit, so I can tell you about the real quality and what do I really think. For now, I'm extremely happy with it. I think it fits good, it looks good, and if you see closer, this skin, you see it's little bit like, you can see the texture of the skin. I will show you closer. And this is just perfect for me. This is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want the crocodile, and I think it's kind of looks more plastic fantastic, and this is more natural style. How do you think? Write me what you think about it. Ask me questions, I'm happy to answer them. And stay with me in my channel, will be interesting. I will also try to style it and make some reviews of how to use this kind of bag. And for now, thank you for your attention, subscribe, and have a good day. Bye bye.